2024 standard deduction. Your filing status plays a big role on your standard deduction. There are 5 standard deductions as follows: single, married filing separate, married filing jointly, head of household and surviving spouse. Single standard deduction, $14,600. If you have not married any time in the year, or got divorced on or before December 31st, your filing status is single. Married filing separate standard deduction, $14,600. Your filing status is married filing separately if you are married on December 31st and file separate from your spouse. Married filing jointly standard deduction, $29,200. If you and your spouse file jointly, your filing status is married filing jointly. Head of household standard deduction, $21,900. You can claim head of household if you're unmarried and support someone, such as a child or relative. Surviving spouse standard deduction, $29,200. A surviving spouse can file a joint return for the year of death and write in the signature area, filing as surviving spouse. The spouse also can file jointly for the next 2 tax years if he or she has dependents and has not renewed. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.